Plant-based eating should never be boring. That's why we've rounded up our favorite finger-licking good vegan recipes that will impress even the pickiest eaters. Welcome. Food is a cause and a cure. For factual nutrition information, please subscribe to our channel. Do you want to know a recipe for this avocado toast? First, fry eggs and toast slices. Mash avocados, add salt and pepper, and a sprinkle of lemon. Add the mixture on toast. That's it, here it is. Now let us look at a recipe for baked beans. You need to fry onion and garlic. Then, add rinsed white beans and add crushed tomatoes, herbs, Worcester, and Tabasco sauce. It is that simple. High-protein salad recipes will keep you satisfied even on your hungriest of days. Now let us learn this simple protein salad. Add salt to peeled cucumber and radish, fry little tempeh pieces. Add green beans, maple syrup, soy sauce, tomato paste, paprika, and sesame oil. Mix with radish and cucumber. For more quick recipes, follow Healthy Eating Bowl. Thanks for watching. We hope this information is useful to everyone. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more nutritional videos. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. Visit our website to book with our dietitians and nutrition coaches. Nutrition tips, now at your fingertips.